Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see a tissue Zari border handloom soft silk sarees. We have 20 different colors, so we are going to see all these sarees in this video. Before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So all these are tissue border sarees, double work qualities. All are handloom made, freshly stocked from our looms. So please don't miss these collections. Watch this video fully for all the color combination and designs. So we are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. We are giving for wholesalers and shop owners, so you can contact us for bulk orders and more designs. So this is the first saree, a beautiful red with royal blue, a rich pallu in red color, and all over the saree a beautiful royal blue. In that you have buttas. So all these are gold jari buttas with both sides tissue border. And next is an olive green with mustard combination. So all these sarees have a contrast pallu and blouse with both sides tissue border. So all these are double up sarees, comes with a manufacturing price. And next is a green with blue combination. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So if you want to book these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can simply share the screenshot and you can book with us. And next is a sky blue with bottle green combination. So all these sarees in this video are tissue border sarees. All are unique patterns. So please don't miss these collections. Watch this video fully for all the designs and color combinations. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Please do book your saree. All are fresh collections stocked from our looms. We have more collections in our YouTube channel. So please do check our YouTube channel for other collections and designs. So all these are double work premium quality silk. The approximate weight of these sarees of 500 grams, which is a lightweight soft silk sarees, very flexible to wear for all age groups. So if you want to book these sarees, do take screenshot and text us on WhatsApp. This is a beautiful brown with mustard combination. We have very limited stock in each of these colors. So please don't wait it. Book your favorite saree. Also, we do have video call facility. You can contact us for video call facility if you want to see any of these sarees again to confirm the color confirmation. All these sarees price ranges from 5,500 to 6,000. So which is the manufacturing price. A beautiful black with red combination. All are different puttas and a different pallu design. So please do watch this video fully and book your favorite saree. Also share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. A beautiful pink with green combination. This is. So the last saree in this video is a blue with radiant green combination. A very beautiful color combination. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.